Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, we are going to talk about if it is possible to ban someone from your private server in Roblox. All right, now let's find out. So I have here my Roblox already open. Now go to the game or the server that you want to restrict people from joining. Go to Servers tab and find your server. Click on the three dots in the corner and go to Configure. So in this page, you can change or edit your configuration. So here you can see that we have an option for allow joining. So this can be turned on or off. If you turn this off, no one can join your game. So we already have here friends allowed. So this means that all your friends in Roblox can join this game. You also have server members. So this means that all members of your server can join this game. In the last option here, you have private server link. So basically, you can generate a link and send it to specific people to allow them to join into your game. But unfortunately, there is no option to restrict someone or to ban someone from joining your private server in Roblox. The best thing that you can do to keep away people from joining your private server is to go with the private server link and send them to your friends and exclude people that you don't want to join into your game. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.